Hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you found my channel. I hope you stick around and come back and see more stuff. And if you're returning, well, hi again. Hi. Glad you're still here. Thank you. The Craftibly pre-orders, they keep coming. They keep coming. Yeah, I got a few, right? And this is just the first order. There's another one after this. I have more. Anyhow, this one, I haven't seen anybody unbox any of this yet. So I'm excited to show this one to you. Here's their new box. I'm keeping it a secret from you for now. Their new box with Ms. Amy on there. She's looking all cute. Hi, Amy. How are you? All of their information. They're a Texas company, family owned and operated, and I love them. They are wonderful. All right. So I got the paper, the saran wrap type off here. Now if I can get it out. This one, you'll laugh. It's all Mindy, as you will quickly understand. All right, so here's their kit, their drill kit, their tool. It's the way, that's the word. I'm too excited for this one. Toolkit. All right, let's see what we got. Now, I'm not going to go through this in great depth and great detail, but this is all their new standard toolkit. Now, I don't know, they might not always have this, but I don't know. Now they do. Most of the kits, all the kits I've gotten so far have all the purple stuff. So it's all purple. Purple tweezers, purple wax, purple tray, purple squishy. Love it. And then some multi-placers. That is the toolkit. I love it. It's all purple. Yay, purple. Their bag is purple. They like purple. I like purple. We're a match made in heaven, aren't we? I am a Craftibly affiliate. If you do not know that, I'll share that information with you right now. And if you are new to Craftibly, I have a code. It is Mindy15. It would save you 20% off your first purchase. And they have a lot of stuff. Now, they're selling out of stuff. Things are going crazy. People are seeing these kits, seeing their tool kits, seeing all kinds of new products, and the stuff's selling. They're doing really well. So, first-time purchasers, Mindy15. And if you're already a customer and you use my link, I might get, $1 here or there. So, I appreciate it. All right, here we go. That's their regular wax that comes in their tin, and you'll get 2 washi tapes with every painting. Now, I'm opting to get mine in the boxes because I have so many of the tubes. You can buy the tubes. They are $15, I believe, on the website. And in the future, you may be able to add them on for a small nominal fee if you want a tube versus a box. So pay attention for that. Like I said, they're selling stuff. They're doing well. Here is my cover. Well, I have some tape. These are always taped clothes. And now it won't let go of me. Let go of me. Go over there. They have new cover minders. And this is one. This is one I don't have. Look at that one. Look how pretty that is. That is a sparkly heart. Pink, glittery, and stars. It's super pretty. I'm still holding out for a flower. I've got one more box to unbox. And if I don't have a flower in it, I'm going to be like, Michael. Help a girl out here. I need a flower. But they got cool cover minders. Love them. All right, here we go. Let's get into this. There's the kit number on the back in case you're interested. I will link this below. Hopefully this one is still available. I believe the first 2 I showed, they had a few and they sold out. Yeah. Now, I think Michael's really working on one of those artists being able to keep their work. So I think what happened is all of these artists that he kind of gave back the licensing all went to the same agent. And it was just like a complete, all artists that we have through this licensing company, I'll just give you back the licenses. I think now he's going back on an individual basis and seeing who he can still retain. So hopefully, look at the bright color on that. Whew. He'll be able to keep some of them. He's working on it really hard. So here we go. Let's show you what we got. This one's a round drill diamond painting, so I'm assuming there's going to be some rhinestones and stuff in here. All of your kits now come with a little booklet. I've shown this in the last 2 videos. We're not going to go over it in great detail. If you want to see more of it, you know, I'll link some of my other videos in the eye over there. It took me forever to learn how to do that. All right, so here's what we have. No more secrets. No more secrets. It is Gnomes Watermelon. It is a 16 by 16 inch. Here is the little thumbnail for it. This is all sticker. You can put in a logbook. You can even write your start and end dates. I don't know how you say this guy's name. Hell's Kupelditch. Heights? Hell's Kupelditch. I don't know. It's interesting though, but he does these gnomes, and there's a few of them. All right, here's our stickers. You can peel these off, put them on containers and whatnot. So let's see what we have here. All of our special things are going to be down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs and 1, 2 rhinestones. Love it. Love it. It should be super cute. These 3 little gnomey dudes just chowing down on a slice of watermelon. You ready to see it? They have a nice soft back. See what happens when I get too excited? Soft backed canvas. Scalloped, serged edges. Look at the pretty colors you see there. You want to see them up close? I'll show them to you up close. Look at that. Woo! Black. We have seeds. Watermelon seeds. Look at that pretty color right there. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, here they are. Look at how cute that is. Look how cute. The 16 by 16 inch. That's adorable. Wow. That is cute as can be. Wow. I have a legend over here and over here. Craftibly at the top. I love it. It is super cute. Wow. Bright, bright pinks here. Those are pretty. Here's the information down here at the bottom. Gnomes Watermelon. Hell's Kupelditch. I'm sorry if I butcher that every time. I'm sorry. Anyhow, it's got this pretty like tealy background with some flowers on it. It's going to be so cute. Well, enjoy, guys. Enjoy your watermelon. This guy's about to get stung by a bee, but you know. This bee wants some watermelon down here too. He was like, hey, can I have some? Maybe they're dripping some juice down there. He's like, let me have some watermelon. Super cute. They got a nice thick plastic. I love their plastic. I don't have to worry about tearing it. And sticky. It's sticky. Sticky, right? Love it. It's so cute. There were several gnomes. And there's another one I really liked. I don't know why I didn't get that one. Because I already bought a lot. That's why. That's why. Here's the picture on your drills. Love it. They now open on the back, so you don't have to tear your sticker. Love that part. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what we have. That's a lot of ABs and rhinestones on a kit that's not super huge. Let's see what we got. All right. Here's a handful. These are the regular drills. Okay. Beautiful colors. I love that they come pre-bagged. I mean, I know that they're talking about switching to strips. I have some with strips, but I know I still like the pre-bagged. Here's our watermelon. Watermelon. Do you like watermelon? I love watermelon. Some people just don't like it. My mom hated it. We'd always joke with her. We have watermelon. Watermelon and cucumber. I don't know. Couldn't. I don't know. All right. Pretty colors. Oh, look at this. Has got to be that background right here. That's got to be the background. Number 20. Is that the background? Yep, that's the background. That mint. More pinks. More pink, pink, pink. Pink, pink. Love them. Look at the pretty colors. Love them. We got to be getting to ABs here in a second because there's a whole bunch of them. Hopefully I didn't just toss some down there already. I don't think so. I think this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got them. All right, so here's the ABs, guys. Here's the ABs. Ready? A lot of white. Look at all the white AB. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's going to be all over this canvas. Okay. Here's a red. Pretty red. Love that one. A green. Nice. An orange. Pretty. A yellow. And this is like a corally red color. This one's a true red, and that one's more like a coral hint to it. Bet they're going to be in the watermelon. Here's our rhinestones. Look at that. It's a pretty pink rhinestone. Can you tell what that? Can you even tell? Can you see it? There it is. And then a green. Maybe for the rind? We can hope, right? We can hope. There's our colors. There's the colors. There's the rhinestones. There's the ABs. That's a nice little color palette there. I like those. I like those. All right, well, let's see if we can find them. The whites are easy. Whites are easy. It is the O, and it is the daisies. It is the watermelon. It's in their beards, in their hats. All of these are like hints of flowers. All these dots are white AB up in the flowers here and over here. There you go. The white is everywhere. It's everywhere. Okay. Now, what do we have next? Next, we have a red, 35 red. This one, the bright red. That one, the brighter red. Okay, it's a little arrow. And it goes here. All of this outer part of the watermelon. Here, his hat. I think that's it. Yeah, that's where that one is. Okay, next we have the 9, which is the green. So the green, where does that go? Where does that go? It goes in the rind. It's not the dark color on the outside. I'm going to hope that that's the crystals. But on the inner part of the rind of the watermelon, see, we have 9s in here. And then there's some down here for the leaves of the flower. A little bit here. How about in this guy's hat? Yep. This whole part of his hat here is that green AB. And then little bits throughout here and then more in the leaves. Perfect. I love it. Love it. Love it. All right. Then G is it the yellow? It's the orange color. The orangier one. So those are G's. Where do we have G's? G's Louise. Where are they at? G, 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 G. Oh, they're up here. So part of this background, it's like a plaid in the background. Those G's are the AB. And there's some in the B. And there's a couple in this B. The B's get some. All right. E is 38, which is the light pale yellow. That's E. Where do we have E's? Are we back up to the top again? I think so. Let's see. Yeah, back up to the top. So we have the G, AB is the dark, and the E goes around the flower here, and then it's making some of that plaid. Cool. That's going to be a lot of AB up there. All right, next we have the orangey red color, and that is the symbol 7. And let's see, let's go to our watermelon. Let's go to our watermelon. 7s all through here. This watermelon is going to be a lot of AB. All through here is one of the 2 red colors. Love it. Any more 7s? Yep, there's some in his hat through here. Love that. All right, cool. Now, what do we have left? We have this one, the red rhinestone, pink kind of. It's the symbol 4. And I believe it's the center of the watermelon. So AB, rhinestone. I mean, wow, right? And then some rhinestones in his hat. So we have AB and rhinestones in his hat. Love it. And then we have the green, and the green is the K. So let's start back here with our rind. And you see we have some K's in the rind. We have some K's, the rhinestones in the leaves. And we have some in his hat, a big batch of them right up through his hat. Oh, this whole border right here is green rhinestone. Love it. Isn't he cute? Ah, he's so cute. He would be so fun to do. He'd be easy. So much color blocking on this one. It would be a blast to do it. What do you think? Hopefully it's in stock. I'll link it below. And hopefully you can go get one because he is super cute. Super, super cute, right? Love it. He, them. All right. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you, Craftibly, for being a great company and continuing to provide excellent customer service and always trying to do better. Always trying to come up with something new, better, you know. Love it. All right. Thanks, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.